So hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a current affairs series, as you know that. And this city has for world's most expensive city for foreign workers. This is the first question, guys. Which city has world's most expensive city for foreign worker? विदेशी कामगारों के लिए दुनिया का सबसे महंगा शहर कौन सा है? So अशगाबत and ये Turkmenistan capital. Second position में हांगकांग and मुंबई 78 position. Next question, which institute in India topped the recently released QS MBA ranking 2021? हाल ही में जारी QS MBA ranking 2021 में भारत में कौन सा संस्थान शीर्ष पे रहा है? वो है IIM बेंगलुरु, वर्ल्ड रैंकिंग 39th, एशिया रैंकिंग 10th. Next question, who represented India in Global Investor Roundtable by US-India Strategic Partner Forum द्वारा ग्लोबल इन्वेस्टर राउंडेबल में भारत का प्रतिनिधित्व किसने किया? So निर्मला सीतारमन. Next question, which organization has approved $125 million support program for Kerala? किस संगठन ने केरल के लिए 125 मिलियन अमेरिकी डॉलर की सहायता कार्यक्रम को मंजूरी दी है? वह है वर्ल्ड बैंक टू हैव द स्टेट इन preparedness against natural disaster, climate change, impact, disease outbreaks and pandemics. Next question, in which state the dragon fruit is called kamalam? Okay, so dragon fruit को कमलम किस राज्य में कहा जाता है? गुजरात. So a consignment of dragon fruit processed from farmers of Tadasar village in Sangli district of Maharashtra has been exported to Dubai. Procured, okay, a consignment of dragon fruit procured from farmers of Tadasar village in Sangli district of Maharashtra has been exported to Dubai. Next question, which has become the first rabies-free state of India recently? So हाल ही में भारत का पहला रेबीज मुक्त राज्य कौन सा बन गया? गोवा. So not a single case of rabies has been reported in the state in the last 3 years. So rabies is a vaccine preventable viral disease which occurs in more than 150 countries and territories. Dogs are the main source of human rabies deaths, contributing up to 99% of all rabies transmission to humans. So infection causes tens of thousands of deaths every year, mainly in Asia and Africa. Let's know that about Goa. So capital Panaji, CM Pramod Sawant, Goa गवर्नमेंट भगत सिंह कोश्यारी. सो मुख्यमंत्री देवदर्शन योजना हियर. गोवा लाइब्रेशन डेट 19 दिसंबर. फर्स्ट एंड ड्यून पार्क हियर. Next question, recently the Haryana government announced a cash award of how much to the players who won gold medals in Tokyo ओलंपिक. हाल ही में हरियाणा सरकार ने टोक्यो ओलंपिक में स्वर्ण पदक जीतने वाले खिलाड़ियों को कितने का नगद पुरस्कार देने की घोषणा की है? वो है 6 करोड़, सिल्वर है 4 करोड़, ब्रॉन्ज है 2.5 करोड़. लेट्स नो एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन. तमिलनाडु गोल्ड 3 करोड़, सिल्वर 2 करोड़, ब्रॉन्ज 1 करोड़. ओके. Next question, a book titled Fiercely Female, The Duty Chand Story, written by which author? Sandeep Mishra. Now about the Duty Chand. So Duty Chand, the first openly homosexual athlete from India, scripted in 2019, and she became the first Indian to win gold in a 100-meter event at the World Universiade in Naples. Next question, who has been honored with the highest civilian award of Mongolia, the Order of Polar Star, by His Excellency? So महामहिम द्वारा मंगोलिया के सर्वोच्च नागरिक पुरस्कार द ऑर्डर ऑफ पोलर स्टार से किससे सम्मानित है? वो है RK साबरवाल. Let's know some information about Mongolia. The President of Mongolia recognized the outstanding contribution made by him towards the establishment of the first ever oil refinery in Mongolia. So Mongolia capital Ulaanbaatar and Mongolia currency Mongolian Tugrov, and Mongolia President Ukhna Korelsuk. Next question, who has been granted this year's Spanish Princess of Austria's Literature Award? लिटरेचर अवार्ड। तो इस वर्ष का स्पेशनिक प्रिंसेस ऑफ ऑस्ट्रियस लिटरेचर अवार्ड किसे प्रदान किया हुआ है? एमैनुएल कैरोल एंड फ्रेंच ऑथर हैं आपके फॉर हिज नॉन फिक्शंस बुक्स। Next question, which female tennis player has recently announced her withdrawal from the Tokyo Olympic? हाल ही में किस महिला टेनिस खिलाड़ी ने टोक्यो ओलंपिक से हटने की घोषणा की है? वो है सेरेना विलियम्स। So, a Spanish tennis stalwart Rafael Nadal pulled out of the Wimbledon 2021 championships and the Tokyo Olympics. Wimbledon. Next question, who has become the joint top scoring men's international player ऑफ ऑल टाइम? अब तक का संयुक्त रूप से शीर्ष स्कोर करने वाला पुरुष अंतर्राष्ट्रीय खिलाड़ी कौन बन गया है? वो है क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो एंड 109 गोल्स किए हैं 176 मैचेस में। इज करंटली टाइड विद आयरन लेजेंड अली दह who scored 109 goals in 149 matches between 1993 and 2006. Next question, who won the 2021 Star Grand Prix? So Max Verstappen and Netherlands Red Bull, Lewis Hamilton, Britain Mercedes tours second, Valtteri Bottas and Mercedes came third.